welcome back to my channel, and today's video is my skin update. Okay, so I do like to give you a skin update every single month so you can see the progression of my skin. Is it getting better on its own? Do I need tools? Do I need tablets? What do I need as an ex-acne sufferer to make my skin better? Okay, but before we go anywhere, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, okay? Hit the bell so you get notifications every single time I upload, which is a Sunday. And then also make sure you give me a thumbs up, comment underneath anything you want to ask me about dermarolling, about my skin, and I'll be sure to answer it. So the reason why I didn't decide to dermaroll this month is two reasons. One, because I got so super busy, and number two, because I was wanting to do a bit of an experiment as well. So a lot of you have heard with dermarolling that you need to give your skin time, and by giving it time to heal and rest, you are actually giving your skin a better chance of filling the indentations in and getting rid of the scars already. So what I like to do with that piece of information is all month I've not dermarolled, and I wanted to see how my skin felt, how my skin did, because on my last skin update you guys know that I wanted to try a bigger needle, and BASELIFT only go up to 0.5, and I actually found a company called Glow Cosmetics, and they've not sponsored me, they've not given me a discount code, not yet anyway, and they have a 1mm needle, so I'm going to be trying that next month now, giving my skin a break. So let's look at my skin now that I haven't dermarolled for a month. I'm gonna reduce the brightness of my ring light so you can get a real view. I feel like, not like the indentations have come back, but more like they're just there to stay. And when I've got fresh breakouts like here and here and a few here, like they're red and raw and they're to stay, okay? So when I wear makeup and cover them up, you can't really see them, but without makeup, you know they're there. And you know, like I've worked so hard dermarolling my face for the past 3 months, previous 3 months, so it has been 4 months since I started officially, and yeah, I've worked really hard on getting rid of the pigmentation and indentations, and for these bad boys to appear, I didn't pop them. They were there for like a week, and then I decided to pop them because they just weren't going down, and they've obviously left red scars and they're going to turn into indentations. I need to stop. So I have been better at not popping my spots, and you know that I was on some medication that made me break out first. That was the worst thing ever, and now I'm on something called Dianet, and a lot of people, a lot of doctors don't like giving it out because it can give blood clots, but if you have a family history of blood clots, then you can't have it at all, but I don't, fortunately, so I can have it. Yeah, I use this to combat the period pains that I was talking to you guys about that I had really bad, but also to combat the spots as well, because it's like 2 in 1, so that actually will help with the other pill that made me break out after being on accutane for so long, and hopefully improve my skin. You can hear the wind, it's so windy and rainy. Wow, Manchester. So yeah, so you can see that that pill messed up my skin again, and then this one's trying to calm it down. However, these are hormonal. I've only been on it for 2 weeks, so I can't really say I'm seeing much difference. I'm not. However, I do feel like dermarolling is one of those things you just have to keep on doing. If you stop doing it, your skin just stays still. And I mean, I know it's probably healed a little bit better, like microscopically, but on the surface I feel like I can still see my indentations, and if my skin's dehydrated a little bit, maybe my indentations show more than if they were hydrated. Like, so I do drink my 2 liters of water a day. So what I'm going to be doing is 1mm, so I know that I can't wear makeup for 24 hours, so I'm probably going to do it like on a Saturday night and make sure I'm not leaving the house Sunday, and Sunday's editing day anyway, and then Monday I can wear my makeup again. Okay. So because I have a 1mm dermaroller now, it is recommended to do it once a month or once every 6 weeks, but if your skin can take it, do it once every 2 weeks. So I'm going to try that once every 2 weeks. I'm going to try with a 1mm needle. Okay, it's by Glow Cosmetics. If you're looking for deeper dermarolling rather than the 0.5, which is BASELIFT, and I got a discount code for BASELIFT but not for Glow Cosmetics. I'll leave both links in the description box below if you have deeper indentation and pigmentation, you want to get rid of it, then I definitely maybe recommend theirs. And I'll be doing a review of theirs next month, so you can get to see my skin after 2 derma rolls. Really, it'll be 2 derma rolls, and we'll see if this made a difference, if it's better to go 1mm. So I do feel like with 1mm you still have to be a bit careful at home with derma rolling. If it's 1mm or bigger, goes to a professional. I know I'm trying 1mm, but I wouldn't do it the needle shouldn't be any bigger if I was doing it myself. I'm going to be a bit more careful with that, if I'm being totally honest. I'm going to make sure it's all sanitary, only use it the few times it says, and be really careful with it so that I'm not making my skin septic, okay? Because the 1mm actually hits the derma layer of your skin that produces collagen then, so it actually rushes collagen a little bit quicker and faster than 0.5 needle, and that's what I'm wanting now. My skin's almost there with being clear. I do feel like I need to get rid of the indentation to make it flawless, because that's the thing, I'm still wearing foundation, still seeing the indentation, then I'm still feeling like, oh, it's still not looking 100%. And you know, I'm grateful for my skin being where it is, but I want it to go to the next level and be even better. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed my skin update. Stay tuned for more skin updates. Don't forget, I post new videos every single Sunday, and I will see you then. Thanks for watching. Bye.